Hey, Professor Katz, it's Michael James here with Experiment 7, the Interactive Advanced Concept, uh, where we're building a ferrofluid and then using a rare earth magnet to kind of exhibit some cool tendencies and magnetize the fluid. So I've already mixed my vegetable oil with my ink toner, um, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this raw or rare earth magnet underneath. I'm going to be really careful because I don't want to spill this ink toner. Oh wow, that's really cool. So when I put the rare earth magnet underneath the liquid, I'm getting, kind of like pinnacles, or I guess you could say triangles. It seems like it's pushing the liquid out towards me, and then when I move it away, it goes uh, back down to just a liquid solution. Um, All right, so I'm going to pause the video now that I'm done with the experiment, and I am going to go ahead and explain what happened there. So in this experiment, we combined ink toner with vegetable oil, which gave it that viscous nature to the liquid. Now, ink toner can sometimes come in powder form, so it needed to be mixed together to make it a liquid. So the toner was poured into a cup with vegetable oil. I used about 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And when the magnet was placed at the bottom, the ferrofluid magnetizes and little needles pop out. So the key to this experiment is using a magnetic ink. If the ink is not magnetic, then the experiment simply won't work. The ingredient in toner that makes it magnetic is the Fe3O4, which is more commonly known as magnetite. Now, magnetite is used as a charge control ingredient known as triboelectrification agent. Now, the triboelectrification agent refers to the creation of static charge through friction, which is required for the ink to have the printer particles adhere to the paper. However, because the ink contains magnetite, it can produce a ferromagnetic fluid. Now, magnetite is an iron ore that is attracted to a magnet. When the rare earth magnet is placed underneath the ferrofluid with the opposite end facing the liquid, the magnetite in the vegetable oil / ink toner solution is repelled from the magnetic or the magnet, which is why it exhibits the pinnacle or triangular structure facing outwards.